We hear it all the time, confidence is important as a business owner. Meaning, if you are confident that you can deliver results in the beauty business as an esthetician, if you can help your client with whatever ailment they are struggling with, whether it's acne, rosacea, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, saggy jowls, etc., that confidence you have, it's interesting, but it's one of the definitions that I've learned of sales. What is a sale? A sale is when you transfer the confidence and the enthusiasm that you have in a solution to your customer. But what happens if you struggle with imposter syndrome? When we feel we're not good enough, if we feel like, what if they find out I just don't know everything? What if they find out that I'm not as good as it is? Or sometimes when we even doubt ourselves. Is imposter syndrome real? And what can you do about it? That's what we're going to talk about today. If you don't know me, this is your boy, Cornholio. Hold on. I am the great Cornholio. I need bunghole, teepee for my bunghole. If you don't get that, I can't help you. All right, and that's what I do. I'm in this group for one reason only, to help you make money by becoming the best esthetician you can be in the realm of business, of sales, of marketing, and all that other stuff. Imposter syndrome is real. It's when we feel we're not good enough. It's when we feel we don't have all the answers. And unfortunately, what happens is if we don't have that confidence, it shows in a lot of aspects of business. For example, if I'm not confident enough about something, I may be hesitant to recommend a product. I might be hesitant to sell them their home care treatment, which is a critical part of their skincare routine, regimen, and results. Would you not agree with that? Can we agree that home care is critical to keeping their skin looking the best that it can be, or fixing the ailments, hyperpigmentation, rosacea, acne, fine line, wrinkles, all that good stuff, right? So how can we build that confidence? I always have a saying that I heard somewhere that really apply to me. It is called facts over feelings. Facts over feelings. Because I'm human most of the time when I'm not. I can't tell you what I am because you would be shocked. But most of the times I am a human being, and I also struggle with a lot of the same things you struggle with. One of the tools that I've created for myself, if you can see my screeny here, hold on, is I created this file called Wix Testimonials. And what this is basically people will sometimes message me, or they'll leave some wonderful comments about how I have been able to help them with their business or some ideas or whatever it is. And I recommend everyone have this. This is, again, something it's just copy and paste it, and this is a file on my computer desktop. But it doesn't matter where you are, whether you print it, whether you create a testimonial wall. But again, facts over feelings. I feel sometimes maybe I'm not good enough. Well, when I do feel that way, I'm going to confront it with facts. It's like, well, wait a minute, Wick, I've been doing this for a while. I've been doing this for a couple of decades. I have a vast amount of experience. I have helped several hundreds, if not thousands, of estheticians. And when I do have my doubts that pop up, I'll be like, well, what is this one? Oh crap, what did I just do? Let me see. Go. Okay, so from Kellyanne, you are brilliant. I can see you on Shark Tank and you need to write a book or something. Yes, coming soon, Kellyanne. Wait, Verma, you're seriously the only reason I come on Facebook anymore. Haha, that is like the nicest thing I've heard in a while. I so appreciate you. Thanks. You are definitely appreciated. The whole stuff. Right. What is this? The whole sign up for my $100 Zoom class to learn how I made six-figure impact. Spoiler alert, my for a Zoom class about nothing. So there's all these gurus that are charging hundreds of dollars for this, that, and the other that unfortunately a lot of estheticians will buy. And I'm not saying some are good, some are bad, but the statistically speaking, the results of success are low. That's all I'm saying. Go. So that's what Kellyanne says. What's this? Hi, Wick. I'm sorry for the subject. I practiced something. I have been in business. So Faith, I've been in business for 13, and I finally did something very different. Also, I have known better forever. I did it in the medical field. I remember that what you had said in the video that morning. Therefore, I practiced on her. I mentioned to her that it just depends on what your look is. This 100% worked. I value the fact that you've given this free information to us that I just practiced with the first client and it actually worked. I had control of the conversation. I realized she's not asking about price. She wants to make sure I know what I'm doing. I can help her and that I hear her. Thank you. So again, just advice that I gave about something I don't even know what it is. Liz McKay, you guys, in 2 weeks, I'm finishing up on my first year in business. This is my book this week. God dang, Liz McKay. God dang. Keep in mind, I chose to work 6 days and take this many people. Hustle now so I can relax later. Wick Verma is amazing and his advice really helped me grow my business. You know what? I'm starting to feel good about myself already. I'm starting to feel good about me. It's like I do this for a reason. I don't charge money for this for a reason because I want you to win. I am truly, genuinely a caring individual. Nothing makes me happier than to see and receive these kind of messages because I rambled something that was applicable that someone used and it's working for them. So what I recommend is for you to do something similar. As you get these messages from your clients, oh my God, thank you so much. I feel like I've heard that you were really listening to me and paying attention. You weren't just about the money. You really care about my skin, my results, etc., etc. Those are the things that really matter. But does that make sense? Like I only read 3. I'm gonna read another one because I'm feeling extra good. Tina right here. Wick Verma, thanks. You probably don't remember my post from August begging how to do my first interview ever at 60. I've already more than doubled my hours, brought on a new product line, added fun new service. Thanks for all your support along the way. Oh, monthly clients, as well as booking 3 months out. So Tina is booked 3 months out. Thanks for all your support along the way. That's what I do, girl. That's what I do. Support, right? So, but that's what the purpose is. When I deal with these things and I'm down, or why am I doing this, or is this even right for me? I will read this and look at this. It just continues. I got all these that are just ready for me. I'll read 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 of these. I feel lit. I'm going to read another one because I'm me. Tabitha, thank you, Wick. This has been the most motivational video yet. I'm on the way there. Okay, that's all right. Deborah, I hope it's okay to post here and hoping I can encourage others. Last night, I hit my goal mark for the month. In less than 30 days, I made $10,000. Cool. This is as a part-time esthetician with no retail at all. I'm also a newly licensed esthetician upon getting my license. Found this group, and I've been doing the work. Every tip that will, girl, it's Wick. But I know what you mean, Deborah. It's all good. Wick offers, I am implementing. If you follow the path, it works. I study this group religiously every opportunity that I get. After my first month, I started noticing that his tips are working. Hey, I say it works if you work it. Wow, this is crazy to me, but I'm loving every bit of this journey. Stay the course. Fellow STs, we got this. Bam. Again, I feel good. I love these messages. I love the positivity. It gets me back on track saying, okay, I got this. Okay, maybe I am good. And forget the maybe part. You are good. You are capable. You can do this. It's just getting your mind in the right state. So when you do feel that imposter syndrome creeping up, and I always believe you will hear it the loudest when you are the closest to success, because that's when the devil is going to speak to you the loudest. Make sure you see that. You start noticing, go, oh, I'm having a lot of doubt. That's the devil, because I'm so close to getting there. The devil's trying to stop me. He's pulling me. He's trying to drag me down. But you ain't going down. You're not a clown. You're not starring in the movie It, that scary horror movie where you're falling in the gutters and going, children, right? So you got this. You're amazing. Be amazing, because it pays very well. Create a system like this to remind yourself that you are amazing. You are making changes. You are helping people. And with that, you will have and feel like I do right now, rejuvenated. Rejuvenate, be amazing, because being amazing pays so well. Peace.